Hello and welcome to Greenline Architects YouTube channel. Today we present a design review for 1500 square feet plots area. The residence was designed on a typical plot measuring 1500 square feet surrounded by beautiful large trees. The house allows the new architecture to be subtle yet merges into the old charm, which allows the pure form and spaces to become a backdrop for the family's lifestyle. Large concrete frames, pergola, jali work add rhythm to the facade. The bold, contemporary facade was conceptualized as a signature statement that merges in harmony with large open balconies. Entrance has a large car park space with planters around and a guest bedroom which is attached to toilet and overlooks the backyard. Stepping down, we have a multi-purpose hall. Bedroom is placed at the back with the toilet attached to it. The steps at the front, peeking to the pocket of green, leads us to the grand family living area. Again taking few steps, we reach the linearly aligned family lounge, dining and the kitchen. The family lounge overlooks the formal living area. The house was designed in steps or levels to achieve independent function, also providing privacy and autonomy for all. Kitchen is further open up to the utility balcony at the back. The play in volumes allows the formal living area to be a grand, welcoming view and seeks delight through interior lighting and artworks. Bedroom is placed at the back with the toilet attached to it. The above floor majorly caters the private areas. Two bedrooms at the back has toilet attached to them. Two bedrooms at the front further opens up to the large sit-out balcony. Clean, minimalistic furniture blends seamlessly with natural toned walls. Bright colors are used with woodwork, providing a contrast in color and texture. Jali work ensures the privacy while maintaining a consistent stream of natural light throughout. Terrace has landscaped set-out spaces with planters around at the front and a stepped-up swimming pool beside the Mounty area. The house is a result of harmonic set of volumes intertwined with each other, produces a mosaic, light and shadow, transparency and opacity, where internal and external spaces blends as one environment. Comment your views about the project and do like, share and subscribe for more fresh contents.